Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check if your Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is on the blacklist. Okay, so let's begin. So currently we are on the IMEI.info page. You can see the link right in here, and now in this bar we need to simply type our IMEI number. And now click on this blue button, check IMEI. Now if you scroll down in here, you can read the basic information about the phone. Also, if you click on expand info, you will get more. And if you want to read the full device specification, you just need to click on this white button. Okay, and now below we have the basic checks and the advanced checks. So in here, as you can see, the first option from the top is the blacklist simple check. So all you need to do is to simply click on it and click on check blacklist status. Okay, and now we have our result. As you can see, this device is clean. Also below we have the information about the brand, the model, our IMEI number, confirmation that device is clean, and also the date on which the report was created at. And also, if you want, you can perform the blacklist premium check. To do it, simply click on this blue button, order now, and if you scroll down, you can see that this costs $4 and the time needed for this action is from 10 seconds to 10 minutes, so it's up to you. If you'll scroll down again a little bit, in here you will see a comparison how the results will look like when the phone is clean and how when it's blacklisted. So you have a comparison in here how it's gonna look like. Okay, also if you want, you can click on read more about Blacklist Check Pro, and here read all the information that you want. And from the advantages of using the premium blacklist check, you can read them right in here. So the result is fast, accurate and detailed. The result is saved on your IMEI info account history, so you can download PDF certificate anytime. All results in premium service contains PDF certificate which you can share. And if your device is blacklisted, the results contain many details such as model, manufacturer, blacklisted by, blacklisted country, and blacklisted on. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.